I use ChatGPT every single day. From something as simple as enhancing my email to creating or aestheticizing my Canvas courses and creating that bulk HTML code. In today's session, I will be demonstrating how to use the GPT keyboard shortcuts. It's 10:30 p.m. and I thought, why not make a video for my educator friends? Hey, my name is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, this channel is all about educational tools, tips, and technology. So if you don't want to miss out on all the fun, please make sure you subscribe. So let's dive right into my GPT, which is right here. Let me click on it. And to open up your GPT shortcuts, all you have to do is Control and backslash. There you have it. If you want it to disappear, Control and backslash again. Now let's just say you forgot what it is. Not to worry, all the way on the left right-hand corner, let me move myself up. You have this little question mark. When you click on it, you have your keyboard shortcuts, and there you have it. You have a shortcut to open your chat. You have a shortcut to focus on the chat input box. You have a shortcut to copy your last block, your last response, to toggle between your sidebar, to delete, and of course, to set your custom instructions. I don't usually use the custom instructions one because my custom instructions are set and my GPT knows how to respond to me every time I ask a question or a query. So let's go ahead and see how this works. First step, toggle between the sidebar, Control Shift and S. Open, Control Shift and S, close. There you have it. You want to open a new chat? No worries. Control Shift and O, new chat. Control Shift and S. Let me go back to one of the chats. Which one is it? Let's look at this. Control Shift and S, close it. And if I want to delete it, Control Shift and backspace. Yeah, delete button, backspace. Yeah, that thing. And you have it. I don't want to delete this. I'm going to cancel this. Let's just say I decided to edit my code somewhere all the way up here. And then I wanted to type something in. But then I decided, you know what? I want to go back to my chat window. To do that, I don't have to scroll all the way down. Simply click Control and Escape. And there you have it. You will be right inside your chat input. That's called Focus Chat for some reason. And again, simple keyboard shortcuts, Control S, close, Control Shift and O, open a new chat, and Control Shift and S. And let's go ahead, pick something right here to delete, Control Shift and delete button, Control Shift and that little backspace. Yes, backspace, that's what it is. And there you have it. I'm going to cancel this because I don't want to delete this. I do need my HTML coding, but you can use that copy the code block if you're a coder. And I also use the copy code if I want to use my GPT to know my previous response and enhance itself based on that query. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this session. I hope you learned something new. I hope you will be using these new keyboard shortcuts. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure you like and subscribe. And if you think it's worth sharing, please go ahead and do so. There could be educators or there could be people who are not using these shortcuts and probably should use these shortcuts. Like always, happy teaching and please do take care of yourself. Ciao.